Good afternoon. Now I know this is a motovlog channel and I'd hate to bore you in any way, shape or form, but recently I did a video about places around Weston-super-Mare, especially on the seafront of Weston-super-Mare, and one of those places we talked about was here, which is the Tropicana, that was used for art exhibitions after it was closed down as a pool area and an outdoor fun area. And one of the other places I mentioned was here, which is Burnbeck Pier that heads out to Burnbeck Island. It's a derelict, abandoned Victorian pier. I had a few comments on social media about those two things, Tropicana and the pier, and what I thought I'd do is some weird arty video, because a couple of years back I did some drone footage of the pier, and I haven't actually used that drone footage for anything. I've just got it sat on my hard drive, so I'm going to put a little piece together using that drone footage just so you can see it a little bit more closely. What I'm going to do is I've been in contact with the artist that actually had the exhibition at the Tropicana, James Richardson. I've been in touch with him and he's actually sent through a lot of his new art, which he said he's happy for me to use on the video so you can take a look. A lot of the art he does, he actually donates to charities to raise money. I'll try and find out what charities he actually does donate to, and I'll try and put those somewhere on the video. It's not the usual thing that I do, and it's not the normal thing that I want to do, but it's a bit diverse, it's a bit different, and it's a bit of fun. Enjoy.